All right, so I already explained to you guys how you literally are a physical sun, okay? A physical sun, all right? And I already explained how everything you see outside of yourself comes from within you, okay? You have a light body, you have a dark body, okay? You have something inside of you which is called dark matter, and outside this is called physical matter, okay? Invisible still exists, you just can't see it. Just like you can't see your insides, but you know what's going on. And anything internal is a feeling. So if you separate the feeling body from the physical body, you're disconnected. You see what I'm saying? The terms connect spiritual and physical aspects together as one means wholesome. It's true. It's just like connecting dark and light. It's the same thing, all right? But I'm going to show you how these motherfuckers, non-nine ether beings, okay? They can't sense anything outside of what they see. They don't have an internal. That's why they're trying to build this world and make you build it. You're building it. It's the essence of you that are building it. So the meanwhile, while you're sitting here outside of yourself building this world and keeping it up and maintain it, you're supposed to come here on this planet and build. You're supposed to relax, and you're here to physically build a world that you can go to when it's time for you to ascend. The only reason why motherfuckers keep coming back here is because they didn't come here and create their world. They came here and maintained this one. You see what I'm saying? This is the takeover of the creation because you are God. Y'all think I'm playing. So I'm going to explain this, all right? Celestial, which is a body. Look it up. Celestial is a body. A celestial body is like the sun, the stars, the fucking moon. You can keep going on and on and on. Galaxies, galaxies, galaxies. They are all inside of your body. Celestial, positioned in, or relating to. Relating. What? Something relate. What? That's my cousin. We're related. That's my sister. We are related. You see what I'm saying? In different forms, but we are related. Related to the sky or outer space, nine ether being, as observed in astronomy. Remember that word, astronomy, a celestial body, right? So clearly they ain't telling you how they're getting this stuff, right? They're just letting you know it's a body. But how are they observing this body? Now watch. It's called anatomy when it comes to your outer body. It's called anatomy. Now y'all think these motherfuckers are leaving, going out, this and that. No, they are literally dissecting nine ether beings. This is how they know what's going on, or they're monitoring nine ether beings, or they've done, you guys know they were eating us, dissecting us. What do you think they were doing? This is all experimentation, okay? Put you in the projects or the hood. You feel what I'm saying? If we was in nature, that'd be called a jungle. You feel what I'm saying? But listen, look, the branch of science concerned with the bodily structure of humans, animals, and other living organisms, especially as revealed as, what's that word? Dissection and the separation of parts. He studied physiology and anatomy. So y'all, you see what I'm saying? Y'all are illusioned by their limitations. Your illusion is literally in their form, their limitation, okay? Because your illusion is that you're not the creator of worlds. Their limitation is this is the only shit they can have. Y'all thought they were taking us and keeping us slaves because our skin color? No, it's what we are. Now I'm going to show you what dark matter is so you can understand what I'm saying. Dark matter. Now we have a light body. Don't get it twisted. We are the same aspects as the sun. It's called nuclear fusion. Okay? And if you don't believe that nuclear fusion is a real thing, China is in Asia. Asia has a physical sun. We all share that sun, right? But China inside of that country has they don't have a physical sun. Look it up. It's called nuclear fusion. And nuclear fusion is abundant energy. Nuclear fusion has tritium, deuterium, helium. Together, it makes a compound that gives energy. So we are creating energy, aka electricity, because energy, heat is a form of energy. Energy is a charge. Charge is electrical. You are a nine ether being. Look up nine ether. If you got nine ether hair, you are a nine ether being. Okay. Now check this. Dark matter. All right, now, remember, the inside of the body is dark matter. It's only dark matter because it is invisible. You can't see it. You can only feel it, all right? Dark matter is an invisible, mysterious substance that doesn't interact with light, but is detectable through its gravitational effect on visible matter. It is detectable through its gravitational pulling effect on visible matter such as stars and galaxies. It is estimated to make up about 27% of the universe's total matter and energy and is a crucial component for the structure and formation of the cosmos. Cosmical being, celestial being, universal being, nine ether being, everything comes out of your body. I'm telling you, they don't get this information without technology. You get this information naturally. That's why you're supposed to cut to your natural diet and become more natural. They got y'all caught into materialistic shit, you're using your physical for material purposes. Meanwhile, they're using your spiritual or celestial, electrical to power their technology. You feel what I'm saying? It's not water that's just making this shit happen. Remember, these are celestial bodies. I told you guys this, right? You are everything you see out. So you looking at the moon like, wow, it's so beautiful and bright. The moon's like, shit, I wish I could be that. What the fuck? These niggas, they're here in the physical. A moon can't even feel itself. It's just there. A sun can't even feel itself. It's just there. You have 4 phases of matter, right? Plasma, solid, liquid, and gas. That is the form of matter, right? Now, I'm going to explain gas, and then I'm going to go to the other ones real quick because we only have 10 minutes, all right? So gas, right? Gas is when a soul is entering or leaving the atmosphere. And the compression of air is why it causes a glow or a light. You can look this up, all right? So when it's coming into the atmosphere, it comes in as a ball of gas, all right? Just like how the sun does, right? The sun ain't it don't come in full of gas, but it is full of gas. It's a star. A star is full of gas, right? And the sun is one of the brightest gases, right? Now think about this, right? That's the gas form explaining yourself when you come in here. Your mother and your father they had a spark. And when they came together, it caused a friction. This is why sex magic is the only magic they allow us to have, because we can create. That's the only creation that they'll let us have because it's more batteries for the remote. Okay? Now, when that happens, you went in as a liquid form. Remember, plasma, aka blood, semen, these are the same thing. Semen is a form of blood. Anything with blood is called ion or ionization, okay? Now, you went in as a liquid form, right? Over time, you became a solid, right? This is when your mother gives birth to you. Now you matter. Now you're actually physical matter. But the whole process was dark matter, okay? And only certain beings can pull certain from certain cosmos. Now, there's people who replicate the same process here on Earth. You feel what I'm saying? But as for us, we bring batteries. They make remotes, we bring batteries. You get what I'm saying? We bring charges from all these type of galaxies that are only visible due to the sun. It's a whole process. If you understand how nature works and stop listening to people, you will literally, it will literally start telling you. The trees will start telling you. The sun will start telling you. The moon will start telling you. The stars will start telling you. Learn about protons and electrons. You just understood the whole Bible. If you understand atoms in the periodic table, you're an alchemist naturally, not technically or technology, naturally. Look up 9 ether, understand 9 ether. If you have 9 ether hair, which coils up, what is a coil? A coil is something that generates electricity. You can't make this shit up. I'm going to get more and more and more in depth so y'all understand the anatomy. Do I go to school? No. Did I pass 9th grade? No. But am I connected to the earth and nature? Yes. The one of the most things you should learn. You shouldn't learn none of this bullshit that makes you a slave or a worker. You came here to create your world. This is why they got you working so hard. They up in the levels. We work 5 hours. Now we work 8 hours. Now we work 10 hours. Now we work 12 hours because they want to limit your power from creation. By the time you get home, you tired. Peace. I say.